about to go live at Big Buck Stadium in conjunction with Touchdowners Academy. Oh my! Amazing field goal by Matt.
Kicker.
Powers it upfield. Looks like we have some snow on the field for the game today. Touchdown! Starting the kickoff here, the ball is ready. Here goes the kick. That's a long one. Tosses it too high. Then the crowd goes wild.
Time is ticking.
It's a line drive. Stone smack down in the end zone. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Rose tosses it too high. What a hit. Matt. Whoa, that was a great touchdown. Don't go to the refrigerator now. It's wild on the field. Whoa, that's on fire. Steps back. Can he throw? Rose. Matt. Stone. He won't get up from that. Wow, that's a great tackle. Matt. Unbelievable touchdown. They're on fire tonight. It's a small kick. Matt. Rod. Keenan. Oh, there's no way coming back from that. Rod. Air it out downfield. That's a tough tackle. Keenan. This isn't even close. Rhodes. Jackson. Great touchdown. Game of the year right here. Starting the kickoff here, the ball is ready. That was tough. Oh, that's a bad tackle. Jackson. It just gets better and better.
Time is ticking.
They nailed it. Final quarter of the game. Watch out, the earth is shaking. Jackson. This isn't even close. Raj. Keenan. Charging throw. Stone. They might as well give up now. Oh, that's a bad tackle. Stone. Fire. Stone. They might as well give up now. Go Diggers! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Big Buck Stadium in conjunction with Touchdowners Academy. The path to the draft starts here. Stone. Fire. Raj. That's great concentration. This defense is like a wall. Raj. Matt. That's a long pass. Amazing field goal.
Kicker.
It's a line drive. I don't think he's going to make beautiful touchdown. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Whoa, that's on fire. Starting the kickoff here, the ball is ready. Jackson. This defense is like a wall. Amazing touchdown.
Time is ticking.
This game, oh my. Hope they've got a stretcher on. Keenan. Air it out downfield. Fantastic field goal. Starting the kickoff here, the ball is ready. He's looking to collect. What a hit. Keenan. Jackson. This guy has an arm like a shotgun. Time, and that is a touchdown. Game of the year right here. Nailed it. Mac. This guy's got the arm of a flamingo. Wonderful play. Rhodes. Oh, he broke his... Ooh, that's a touchdown. Somebody stop that man. Some of them move. Super kickoff. Stone. Key. Fires into the end zone. Power touchdown. unstoppable play.
Kicker.
Nailed it. Stone. Great pace from the team. 10 seconds. Raj. Great play. That's a touchdown. It's really back and forth tonight. What a game. Fires it upfield. This is a close game. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Big Buck Stadium. If you're traveling in to watch the game today, I'd say stay away from that interstate. It's looking kind of heavy. It's caught! It's caught! What a magical touchdown.
Kicker.
Fires it upfield. Ah! Raj. Hope they got a stretcher on. Jackson. Unbelievable touchdown. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh, that's a bad tackle. Jackson. Raj. Great defense. Oh my God, now we've got a real football game on our hands.
Time is ticking.
Powers it upfield. Some of them move. He won't get up from that. That's a gopher. Fantastic field goal. And the crowd is going wild. Oh my. Looking for space. Mac. Beautiful touchdown. Don't go to the refrigerator now. It's wild on the field. Hold on a second. That's a phone call from my wife. Sorry, honey, I can't get there. This game is too good. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Great shot. Wow, that's a great tackle. Long pass. Great play. I'm loving the way this is going. 45 seconds. No giving up now. This game is electrifying. I'm loving every moment of this. Jackson. Final. It's really back and forth tonight. What a game. Starting the kickoff here. The ball is ready. Keenan. Looking for the end zone. Raj. Dirty tackle. We can't accept those here. What a hit. Keenan. I don't think he's going to make it this year. This game is super exciting. Matt. Be great to see these guys play again.